I just lay it thinking every word that I wish I worded different. Mind run circles, no finish line, replaying moments I should've left behind. I joke when it hurts so nobody sees, sarcasm heavy like armor on me. Say I'm fine with a laughing tone, with silence louder when I'm alone. Thoughts get loud when the lights go low. Every regret starts stealing the show. Try to move on but the past hold tight. Play old scenes every single night. Hey, no, don't let me rest. Every thought weighing down my chest. Try to breathe but the air feels thin. I'm wide awake fighting thoughts within. Hey, no, drowning each other. It's feel close but it never shows. If quiet exists, I ain't been there yet. I just want silence inside my head. I don't vet, I sharpen my lines from painting the punchline, sever the ties. Who talk tough but never outside. All that loud talk fade with time. The energy you when the cameras roll. Don't signal when you're on your own. Have a fire in my head all night. You can't win one round from a comfort zone. I see through the image you sell. Filters work with the truth still yell. You flex straight peace, I live real hell. Still stand tall when the knees both swell. You want pricks, I looking for years. Anxiety train me to live with the fear. You rap, still waste I rap was grill. Tears in the ink when the pen is to feel sarcasm sharp. Surgical aim, cut deep but I smile when I say your name. You play tough, just digital flame. I fight thoughts that remember my pain. Laugh loud but the echo fade. Every joke just a mask I made. If they knew what my mind replayed, they go silent from what it said. Hey, no, don't let me rest. Every thought weighing down my chest. Try to be but the air feels thin. I'm wide awake fighting thoughts within. Hey, no, drowning me so. Each fiddle goes but it never shows. If quiet exists, I ain't been ready yet. I just want silence inside my head. I don't clash, I break down egos. Crack false pride down to zero. Late night fights for my own reflection. Mine run deep like hidden oceans. You chase clout, I escape braves. Every night feel like 6 for days. You fear hate, I fear my brain. Way more dangerous, battling pain. I don't need your respect, keep it. Validation written, minds deep rooted. Built from nights when my chest felt in it. Smiled in rooms when my soul felt into you. Rad money, chains and cars. I rest scars that outlast bars. You got streams, I got walls. Different oceans, different shores. Still I stand when the mind roll black. Roams the world while I hold that crack. You want my shit when the thoughts attack. If I stop joking,
I might not come back. I see the storm behind your eyes. You laugh but I hear the cries. You fight a war they never see. You're not alone, you still got me. When the noise gets way too loud, every dark goes pull you down. Just breathe slow. Don't let go, you're stronger than you know. Don't let me in. Hate me more. Drowning me slow. Silence, silence, let me down and be set off. Please feel close. But it never shows. Quiet exists, I ain't been there yet. I just want silence inside my head.
I roast the world just to cope with mine. Life out loud when I told that line. If you heard what lives inside my head, you'd understand every word I said. Silence is all I ever wanted.